Now in January, we're going to be visiting Australia in our Around the World series. And so to get excited about that, we're going to draw a very easy koala bear. Now, koala bears are found in Eastern Australia. And I love koala bears because they actually sleep almost 20 hours a day. Can you believe it? They also eat eucalyptus leaves. So we're going to draw our koala today sitting up in a tree eating eucalyptus leaves. So let's go ahead and draw an oval for his head. We'll draw a rainbow for the top of his nose. Draw a letter U for the bottom of his nose. And then we're going to draw the eyes. Now, you can draw any kind of eyes you want. I'm just going to draw 2 little circles. And again, you can draw any kind of mouth you want. I'm just going to draw a little straight line down and then a curved line out to the left and to the right. Now, they have great hearing, which is probably why they have these huge ears. You can go ahead and just draw 2 rainbows for your ears, or if you want to add a little bit of fur on the edges, you're more than welcome to. And again, you can just leave it like that, or if you maybe want to draw a line on the inside of each ear, go for it. Now, we're going to go ahead and draw the arm. We're going to start off with a backward C for the shoulder, and we're going to have him hugging the tree. So we're going to draw 2 lines out to the left for his arm. Now, for his hand, we're going to have him holding some leaves. Now, you could just draw a simple circle for his hand, or you could draw a thumb, and then you can draw a little curved line, and we're going to wrap it back to the arm for the rest of his hand. Now you can leave it like that, or if you're a little bit more advanced and you want to draw some curved lines for his fingers, go for it. Now we're going to draw some big eucalyptus leaves for him to eat. These are like football shapes. You can draw as few or as many as you would like. Just be sure to draw the stems going back into the top of the hand and then appearing out the bottom of the hand. Alright, now let's go ahead and draw his leg. We're going to go ahead and draw a rainbow right below the arm, and then you can draw an oval for the foot, or if you're a little bit more advanced, go ahead and draw a rainbow. And then you're going to draw a sideways letter, M or W, for the toes, and then just wrap it back for the bottom of his foot. Now we need to draw the body. Let's go ahead and do the back first. We're going to start at the back of the head, and we're going to draw a curved line that connects to the foot. And then for the belly, it's the same thing, but it has to go behind the arm. So start on the bottom of the head and draw a curved line going behind the arm for the belly. So he needs to be sitting on something. So I imagine him sitting on a branch coming from a tree, and then he's hugging a tree trunk. So maybe I just see one side of the tree trunk. Now you can have as much fun as you want, adding anything you want. And we hope to see you. If you want to learn more about Australia and all their super cute animals and more, please join us for our Fun Pass this January. See the comments for more details. We'd love to see your koalas. If you like this video, subscribe for more.